Hey folks, it's Dane. Just made myself a Saddlematic. Now, if you don't know what a Saddlematic is, let me make that bigger. That's a Saddlematic. Okay, it's a cool little tool. Wish I'd thought of it. But they're $82 at Stewmac. And they basically consist of this block that goes, when you set it up, it goes against the nut. And when you flip it around, these two little pins line up the front of your bridge slot, your saddle slot, excuse me. Anyway, and they're adjustable. So one is set at a 16th and one is set at 3/16 from the face of this block. That's for your intonation. So your high E string needs an extra 16th to intonate properly, and your low E needs 3/16, and then in between. And you file your nut in anyway. And then on the other end, you have a little adjustable block that has a slot in it that you lay on the fretboard. If I had a guitar handy out here, I would show you, but basically you push this end against the nut, and then you loosen this and you slide it and center it on your 12th fret, and then you make sure that there's no space between the nut and the 12th fret, which you're centered on with the groove, and you snug that up. And you flip it around and you lay that on the 12th fret, and your saddle should sit with the slot. I just happen to have a saddle here, but it's not the right kind. Anyway, the slot would sit right on the front edge of those, or the front edge of the slot would sit right on those points. Now, if you glue your bridge on and you're trying to locate where to route your slot at, that would be one way to do it. I'm going to use it to actually locate my bridge. It already has a slot in it, and I'm going to locate my bridge on the next acoustic guitar I'm building, and that will do it. So I'm trying to get the whole thing in the camera shot here. I guess it's not going to happen. Keep going the wrong way. All right. So you might notice also that it's a tad longer than I need. So I made it longer so that it would work on basses as well. Okay, just a few details about this. So this is maple, and maple. And this is a 3/16 stainless steel rod. It could be anything. It could be mild steel rod, it doesn't matter. Just happened to have this left over from the days when I made my own single action truss rods. And then these little guys are just drywall nails that I ground the ends off of and then bent to make prongs. And it's pretty simple. Nominally half by half. I think I ended up with 9/16 by 9/16. And then just a matter of grinding yourself a slot down the center of that you can put a fret into, and it'll hold on to it. So anyway, that's it for the makeup of it. So that's just a real quick one. And yeah, that's it. Any questions, put them in the comments.